to Before 5. I'm your host, Charlotte, and today we're going to be making a Sapphire Splash. So, let's get right into it. The ingredients we're going to use is 100% coconut water, blue Curacao, some lime juice, and ginger beer. So we're going to take our mixing glass and just mix 6 ounces of the coconut water. So I'm just going to pour the 6. Alright, and we're going to do 2 ounces of the blue Curacao. So get the shot glass right here. So we got 1 and 2. Alright, and we're just going to do a 1/2 ounce of the lime juice. Alright, and we're going to do just a quick stir because we're actually going to pour this over ice and then add the ginger beer last. So what I'm going to do is pour this over ice. And we're going to leave just a little bit of room because we're going to add 2 ounces of the ginger beer. So here is the 1st ounce. Oh yeah, and it's already starting to fizz up. And the 2nd ounce. Wow, we got right to the rim. And now it is time for a taste test. This is really delicious. Now it reminds me of a coconut type Italian soda because the base of this drink is coconut water, which is really delicious. There's no alcohol in it, so it's for pretty much everyone that loves to drink delicious drinks. And here are Before 5 shout outs of the week. And if you want to become a Before 5 shout out of the week, all you have to do is subscribe to Before 5 YouTube channel and post a comment. That's it. Now if you like Before 5, and I know you do, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Have a wonderful day.